Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Every Wednesday morning I teach a lovely group of Ukrainian teachers of English, and we always begin the class just by getting into breakout rooms and making sure everyone's okay, seeing what's been going on where they are. One of my students is in Odessa on the Black Sea coast, and as you may know, Russia's been targeting Odessa a lot recently, trying to take out various bits of infrastructure there. When one of the other students asked how the student in Odessa was, he kind of sighed and said, "To be honest, I'm sick of talking about it. I'd rather just have an hour away from thinking about it. The shelling's been relentless over the last couple of weeks. I haven't really been able to sleep much very well as a result. Plus, it's bloody freezing here to boot." We often use "to boot" at the end of a list of things, where it basically just means as well. It's a way of adding something at the end. So you might describe your new partner by saying, "Oh, he's lovely, he's kind, handsome, and very wealthy, to boot." Maybe you've got a young child who you have to take on an airplane, and the problem is she's scared of flying and she gets travel sick, to boot. You might be having to cook dinner for a vegetarian friend of yours, and you might complain that, he's a vegetarian and a fussy one to boot. Maybe when you're going to buy a new car, the salesman might try to persuade you by saying, "Oh, an excellent choice. Yes, this is a lovely car. It's very compact, very stylish, and economical to run, to boot." If you're complaining about a boss who's like the boss from hell, who's a bit of a nightmare to work with, you might say, "He's just completely out of his depth. He's rude to all of his employees and he's arrogant, to boot." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you think you might use "to boot."